What's up, everybody? So it's been a year since I bought my Grom and put about 7,200 miles on it, and we're gonna go over on if I regret my decision on buying this or not. And it's pretty simple. No, it's an awesome little bike. Couple things that I regret buying, and this is one of them. The Zoom Brute exhaust. That thing is pretty much done already, so I bought a new one. Amazon special. It's the $120 flavor, so I'm going to be swapping that today. Not really going to do a video on that because there's plenty of them. But I also bought a intercom kind of deal from Amazon, so I'm gonna in the future be reviewing that. Used it for the first time today. And a little foreshadowing, if you're thinking about getting a cheap one, I'll just save up, get the real deal, but we'll go over that at a later date. But I'm gonna change this exhaust. I'll do a last startup so you can hear it, how junky it sounds. Like, every hanger on the thing broke off. Could be my fault. I had that A-Racer tuner where it backfires and blows flames out. But yeah, so it ended up getting really loud and really annoying. Rings my ears. I don't like that, so I'm gonna swap to this one and see how it is. I swapped over the exhaust, so we'll give her a startup. It's got the baffle in, so see how she sounds. Oh, she's quiet. She's quiet. I like it. Sounds good. And I'll go for a little ride in a minute here. Alright, so that first ride felt a little choked out. I like the sound, but felt choked out, so I'll pull the baffle out and I'll start it up without the baffle. We're taking it down the road without the baffles in.